So yesterday, whatever we have done, okay, that is with respect to the SQL injection. The injection is nothing but you are interpreting a command inside a query. You should be telling username and password. That's it. Okay. So you will type okay, Shruti, then password. Okay. Pranav, then password. So instead of what you are doing, you are going in a mathematical or logical way so that it will understand whatever you are telling is correct. I will tell you how this will work. Okay. So let's say this is your username. Okay. And this is your password. If both are correct, okay, true, then you allow login. This is something the computer is programmed. This is logic. If they two are correct, then only you allow it. So that is how you done the program. So what you are doing, you are telling okay directly, okay, I am true. Here also I am true. Okay, allow me. It is like okay, you need to give an invitation. Okay, they have sent an invitation for attending the marriage. So you went to the marriage and go. I know bridegroom. Hi. They are telling, okay, you show me your visiting card or invitation card. Then only we will allow. See, I know that guy. See, your job is to show your invitation card. You are not showing there. You are directly telling. See, I know that guy. You leave me. Oh, maybe someone special. You are asking me invitation. I am the main guy. Even that is how SQL injection also will bypass that. So the query, instead of putting username, you are putting some query there, which it will understand like, okay, he is telling me command. Here they are asking for invitation. In turn, he is telling, oh, you are asking me. You are asking me to show invitation. I know that guy. Okay, leave. That is what happens in all the injection. Whether you go to database or you do at a OS level or at the programming level, you will be doing that. Okay. So you have multiple levels. Okay. So you have LDAP, okay, SQL, okay, then OS. So this is where you are the application. At the application layer you are attacking. So like you have website, right? You are attacking it. So now here you are attacking at the LDAP level. LDAP means in company, every company you will have a directory. This is a directory service. All your usernames will be stored here. You can log in into any laptop or any computer with your username and password. So you have hundreds and thousands computers. Okay. So if you use LDAP, you don't need a local user. Can you log in Pranav's laptop? Can you log in his laptop? Because you need to know his username and password. Or else you know the username and password, then only you will be able to log in. Or else you cannot log in. Okay. So that is local admin. So LDAP is your lightweight directory access protocol, okay, which will connect it and get the username password. It is all the centralized location. Now what you are doing? You are trying to query that. So you don't know me. We are from bridegroom. We are, he's telling. Okay. So then he is trying to access here username and password. We tried here, it didn't work, then he is coming here. Okay. So this is where you see it. All they are trying to do user ID password, user ID password. So you go to Sritik, you open up in Linux, you open up this file, cat sudo cat, this file you type sudo cat etc shadow. You type it, you share it, you will get that password. So all your password hashes will be shared in this location in Unix. In Windows, you will have SAM file, security administrator, administrator manager. Okay, this will be in system 32. Okay. Whatever you save it, that will be stored in this file, SAM file. If you copy that, then you can crack that file, SAM file. This is where your password file. So remotely you are trying to do that. Okay. So remotely you are trying to access the LDAP. Okay. That is your, it will come under enumeration. Okay. Once I get a username, I can extract the list of users. You try to power on your Fedora, okay, and you just access that. So you will know all the users name present here. So whatever username you have, apart from system, you will have the passwords here in etc shadow file. Okay. So then you will filter it out all the list of the users. Okay. So for preventing this LDAP injection, so you need to have a special character. You will have a special character, or you will be using all the framework, okay, so that it will filter it out all your queries. It will not allow you to access that. Okay. So those are all the defense mechanism. Okay. So now, so whenever you try to put in username, special characters, if you put it and, it will never take. You see it in username, if you put this and, or if you put in password also, it will not take. You use this whenever you want, you use this ampersand. Okay. So why? Because, okay, if you put an ampersand in Linux, what will happen? You run this in background. I will type, okay, pass ampersand cmd. Okay. I will type, okay, ls hyphen. So here it will take as input, it will tell, okay, oh, this is my command, okay, I will go and run in the shell prompt. So it will list all the files. Okay. So that is why you are not supposed to use the ampersand.
No, but still, if you're using ampersand or period, like you can be using it in the password section, right?
No, it will not take. You try it, it will not take. So that will block. Okay. So they will tell, okay, you use only this. They will mention it in the password. You cannot use all this. You cannot use this one also.
Yeah. Semicolon.
Why? Because, okay, this is my password, okay. Okay, you leave this. If you are putting this, okay, you leave this and you tell me, okay, what is your computer name? You're telling, no? So you forget about all this. Okay? Now you tell me what is your name. So like telling, okay, hello miss, I love you. What's your father name? Huh? What? No, I'm asking father name. No. He wants to get the other part. Okay? Password, it skipped. Actually, it has to focus on the password. See, she is asking, hey, what did you told me? I'm asking your father name. Oh, my father name is so. Instead of focusing on the password, it will be validated. Okay? You want the command, right? Okay, password I will check later. Oh, okay. This is my computer name. Okay. Now list all the users. Now show me. Show me now. Cat. Show me. etc. It will show number of users. You try to connect and see that slash etc cat slash password. So that is why it will be logged to not use these characters. You will be validating input and reject all the other characters. So that is your input validation. So we have connected.